So here for question number 4 on test 1 part 2, we're asked to find at which moment in time is the speed of the object the highest. H, I, L, K, or J. So here I sketched the graph that was given on the test, and as you can see, here are all the values or the variables. We have H, I, J, and L. So in order to see at which time it's moving the fastest, first you can start by eliminating some. So first we can start by eliminating I. Why are we going to eliminate I? We're going to eliminate I because here you can see that this has a slope of 0. And since it has a slope of 0, we can assume that the velocity is very low or 0. Here at H, we can also eliminate H because it has a slope, but the slope is smaller than the slope of J. The slope of J is much steeper and larger than the slope of H. And L has a little slope as well. So therefore, we can say that the answer is J or E.